Alright, so this our last vlog for tonight. So, maybe. Ganito kasi ginagawa natin. I'm reading right now. I'm watching YouTube right now. I'm reflecting right now. And I'm preparing for my speaking engagement tomorrow. And I'm thinking about our school, on the things na what are the events for this week, something like that. So, bigla may papasok sa isipan natin eh. So, I don't want to miss that because that idea, I know, can change the life of many people, many believers. Kaya ayokong pakawalan yung mga idea. Okay? Sabi nga ni Mel Robbins, di ba? The 5-second rule. Diba? Pag may naisip ka, do something about it. Para hindi siya mawala. So, naisip ko kanina, i-vlog mo na yan, di ba? So, i-vlog na natin ngayon, okay? So, I just realized this one thing, after all the stimulus na nakuha natin ngayon, the informations, the ideas, okay? So, it's not really hard to earn more money, alright? Though, it requires hard work, but it's not hard to look for an opportunity. Hindi siya mahirap. You find the opportunity, alright? Then you work on it, then you will earn more money. Parang simple lang, simple strategy, okay? So you find an opportunity, alright? So you work on it, and you'll earn more money. And how will you find opportunity? You just have to catch the trend. Alright? So titingnan mo lang, ano ba yung trend ngayon? Ano ba yung trend sa community mo? Sa company nyo, sa subdivision nyo, sa mga friends mo, sa mga kamag-anak mo, sa TV, sa national television, ano ba yung trend? Ano ba yung nangyayari? Ano ba yung pinagkakaguluhan? Alright? So, kung ma-identify mo na kung ano yung pinagkakaguluhan, dun ka na pupunta. Then, that's the opportunity. Then, you work hard on it, and you will earn more money. Example, alright? So, ano ba yung pinagkakaguluhan ngayon ng mga tao? Ano ba yung pinagkakabisihan nila ngayong panahon na to? Saan ba nagpupunta yung mga tao pag uwi sa bahay, pag nasa biyahe, pag nasa office, pag break, okay? Pag nasa reunion, lahat, kahit nasaan siya, di ba? Saan siya nakaharap? Sa cellphone. At ilang percent ang nanonood sa YouTube? That's the trend. And that's exactly what I did. I catch the trend. Saan may tao? Saan ka nakikita ng tao? Saan dadami yung audience mo? That's YouTube. Alright? So, I found it. Alright? I catch the trend and I made it as an opportunity and I work hard on it so I earn more money. How did I do that? It's not exactly by dito lang, sa YouTube channel. The YouTube channel opened different opportunities for me. I got more clients. More and more business are messaging me to advertise their business. Group of people are requesting me to work on their company, to be their consultant. So, the YouTube channel, okay, gives me a lot of possible clients. Alright? So, that's the key. That's the key. Another thing na nakita ko, yung trend. Okay? So, I'm in the academe. Alright? So, nasa academe tayo. And, doing private. And nakita ko, lahat ng public schools, public organizations, public agencies, they have budget. Okay? They have budget for God seminar. That's gender and development. So, that's the trend. I catch it. Alright? So, I learned about that topic, God, gender and development. I read a lot. I even asked someone to lecture on me. I borrowed her lecture. I listened to different, I watched different videos about God. I bought different materials for that, on God-related topics. So, I catch it. That's the trend. So that the different schools, the different government agencies, they will invite me. Okay? And that will give me more money. I catch the trend. Alright? Another thing, I turned myself as a vlogger. That's the trend, di ba? So, lahat ngayon, gusto nila, vlogger na sila. Di ba? When I was introduced kahapon, 2 days ago, the vlogger. So, nagkagulo na yung mga estudyante kasi may dala akong iPad, merong tripod, dala akong cellphone, so hawak ko siya. So, I act like a vlogger. So, lahat na-excite sila because that's the trend. Okay? So, catch the trend. Alright? So, my question to you now is, do you want to increase your money? Do you want to increase your income? What's the trend in your community? Catch it. What is the trend in your company? Catch it. What is the trend in your subdivision? Catch it. Alright? So, remember, nung lahat may computer shop, nauso unang-una, nung bago-bagong computer, lahat may computer shop. That's the trend then. Di ba? Nakita po natin. Kahit na, naalala ko yung mga courses nung araw eh. Anong trend doon? IT, nursing. So, lahat nagpunta sa nursing, lahat nagpunta sa IT. Lahat nagpunta sa engineering, nung may mga trend na ganyan. So, they catch the trend. You catch the trend. Don't miss the trend. Alright? So, ngayon, ano ba yung mga trends ngayon sa business? Online? Lahat nasa online, di ba? Catch it. Sell something on online. Di ba? So, lahat ngayon, may mga t-shirt yan. I can change. Catch it. Produce your own t-shirt. Di ba? So, lahat ngayon, bago ikasal, may prenup. Catch the trend. If you are into photography, i-develop mo na yan. Gawin mo ng professional photographer ang sarili mo. Catch the trend. Alright? Gets po natin? Delivers, OFW, mga kababayan natin dito sa Pilipinas, it's not hard, okay, to earn more money. You just have to spot it. Just have to look for it and catch the trend and work hard on it to earn more money. Alright? So, please share this video sa lahat ng mga kaibigan natin, kahit OFW o dito sa Pilipinas, para sama-sama tayo magbago at umulad ang ating buhay. Thank you very much, Delivers. Enjoy the rest of the day and let's go, let's go!